Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. My name is Fahim Azam, and in this video I shall share some basic tips on motorbike safety. Motorbike. Whether you are a first timer or a seasoned veteran, riding a motorcycle is an incredible experience. Apart from being one of the cheapest modes of transport, a bike can take you places no four-wheeler ever can. And the outline is pre-trip inspection, safety gears, safe ride, road rage, and keynotes. Let's talk about pre-trip inspection. Pre-trip your bike before every ride. Ensure that all lights, indicators, tires, electrical system, brakes, and clutch are working and are in good condition. Also check the engine oil. Safety gears, helmet. Every part of your body can be replaced except your head. Don't be a miser while buying a helmet. Choose one with quality ratings. Buy a reputed brand because they put in a lot of time and money for testing and validating their products. Full shirt or t-shirt. Riding a motorcycle exposes you to the elements, not fun in the midday sun or the pouring rain. Wearing a shirt or jacket helps a lot. Sunglasses. Sunglasses, especially yellow tinted ones, look great but also protect your eyes from dust, silt, and headlight glare. Never ride out without a pair. Full trousers and jeans. Riding with a pair of shorts may be fun, but they offer next to zero protection in a fall. Wear a pair of tracks pants or even better denim. They will offer some protection from bruises. Boots, sandals, or slippers will get damaged if they get caught in the shifter or brake lever. Covered shoes, on the other hand, can protect your toes and ankle in a fall. Safe ride. Focus. A motorcycle is a machine that demands 100% rider involvement. You need to keep your eyes on the road no matter what. Take a glance at your mirrors every 10 to 20 seconds. Wipe them clean before you start riding. Physical posture. You sit with your back upright and your shoulders squared over your hips. Your arms should be extended but not hyperextended, with your elbows slightly bent. Your knees should rest against the tank while your feet rest on the foot pegs at a 90 degree. Use the palm of your hand for twisting the throttle. It improves blood circulation to your fingers and prevents them from going numb. Road rage. It is a huge problem in some countries. Try and stay away from the point where you lose your temper on the road. Walk away from a confrontation. You have people at home waiting for you. Keynotes. Do remember, be ready to fall, but don't expect to be fallen. Develop a comfortable riding speed. I mean 40 to 50 km per hour in urban areas is okay. Make way for ambulances and other emergency vehicles. Stay away from large vehicles like buses and trucks, especially on bad roads. Maintain 2 to 4 seconds cushion area between all vehicles. Ride as if everyone on the road is deaf and blind. Use the indicators as often as you can. The horn is not a weapon, so do not use it in traffic. Drive 20% slow when roads are wet. Wear proper gloves in winters for good grip on steering. Thank you for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to receive notification regarding my further informative videos. Like, comment and share my video clips to encourage me and my team. Have a good time. See you in my next clip. Till then, goodbye.